Good morning, you guys. Roxana here with Soil and Margaritas. Today's video is just going to be about me putting some things on the ground. I have a few plants that I have been procrastinating, and I just need to get them there. So let me show you what I have. So first, let me start with these two clematis that I have here. These were supposed to go to my sister, but between one thing and another, I'm gonna have to keep them here. So these are going to go somewhere in my garden. I have a spot for one of them. I don't know about the other one. I'm gonna have to study around and see if I decide to keep it or maybe if I save it for her. And these right here are seashell cosmos that I started from seed. I can't even read the tags anymore. But they're getting very tall. They need to go somewhere bigger. See that? I have 4 of them left here. And over here, my goodness, I found these at, I believe it was at Home Depot. And I am just so happy that I found one. This is a pink chiffon rose of Sharon. So I have a spot for her. Yes, it's a she. And right here I got some samples from Walter's Gardens that I need to put on the ground. These are all hibiscus, and I am very, very excited about them. Like, look at that. So I have a spot for them, and hopefully I can get all these done this morning before it gets too sunny and too hot. So all right, let's get. Oh, but one more thing. Normally I have the Espoma plant food, regular plant food fertilizer when I start any of my plants. However, I am out of it and I am not making a trip to the store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use David Austin's rosewood for the clematises, and I am going to use this one for everything else that I'm planting today. Why? Because that's what I have in hand. It just happens like that sometimes. Okay, you guys, so I am done for today. It got really sunny, really hot, really quick. But this is the end result for today. I have a lot of cleaning. I have to prune that boxwood with the boxwood that is on the other side, but that's for another day, maybe even this evening. But just want to show you the end result. Look at these baskets, aren't they beautiful? You got your, your regular ceramic pots. I think I got that at Walmart, I'm not sure. I know that I got this at Hobby Lobby, and that basket as well. And to be honest, these are going to be done for the year, probably at the end of the season. They're going to get rotten at the bottom, and I'm okay with that. I am doing this knowing that I'm going to lose these baskets, but I get to enjoy them this year, and that for me is just priceless. All right, you guys, until the next video,